In this episode, let us understand and see how we can calculate percentage in Excel. We have subjects here in column B. Let me color the subjects. In column C, for each subject, let us enter the total. So for each subjects, 100 marks will be the total. And student has got 68, 99, in chemistry 80, in physics 88, in biology 78, for history 90, and for geography it is 92, and for drawing 94. Total we have 8 subjects, and the total for 8 subjects will be 800. Let us calculate using the formula sum. Let me color the total. 800 is the total, and the student has got the total sum of 689 is what student has scored out of 800. If I wanted to know the percentage what the student has scored, let us multiply 689 into 100, which will be into 100, 68,900. Once you multiply 689 into 100, then you have to divide the total of 68,900 divided by 800, which is the total marks for the subjects. So I'll select the cell reference D12 by D13. The percentage of the student who has scored 689 for 800 marks, it will be 86.125%. This is one way of calculating the percentage, or else you can take the value straight away. 689 into 8, 689 into 100, close with the bracket, and divided by 800. What it will do is, first it will multiply 689 into 100, which will give 68,900. Then it will divide by 800. The total what you see, 86.125, it will be same for this also. In this way, we can calculate the percentage in both the methods. Let us calculate percentage once again. I will enter percentage. We know the total now, which is 800 for all the subjects. Total of all the subjects are 800, and what the student has scored is 689. And if you wanted to use the formula will be, take the cell reference D10. D10 is because this particular cell 689 is in D10 into 100. Close the bracket, divided by the total, which is 800. Now, this is the percentage what you have got, which is 86.125. Let us take another example for student 1. Let me enter marks for student 1. For English 60, Maths 56, Chemistry 87, Physics 54, Biology 35. Biology is the weakest, and History 54, Geography 80, Drawing excellent, which is 88. If I wanted to do the total for student 1, simply drag the formula from D10 to E10. Now we have got the total 514. Let us see what is the percentage of student 1. We can copy the formula. Student 1 has scored 64.25%. Let me make it student as student 1 and student 1 to student 2, and enter another student number 3. Student 3 is very good. He has scored 100 in all the subjects. Total the marks for the student 3 using formula sum, and total from F2 to F9 will give the total value of student 3, which is 800. 800 is the total marks what student 3 has got. Student 3 seems to be very good, and let us see what is the percentage for student 3. By dragging the formula from E11 to F11, I will get the percentage for student 3. Since student 3 has scored the maximum marks of 800, his percentage will be 100%.